All right, show her.
Max's collar. Where is he? What happened to him?
I ain't saying nothing.
You're gonna tell us where Max is, and you're gonna tell us now.
Is it supposed to scare me? I'm a cat. I land on my feet.
Does it always happen? Because your head looks like it's taken a lot of landings.
Do you want me to catch you? Because I'll catch you this way and that. You look like a waffle.
Okay, he's too stupid to talk and too ugly to eat.
Ah! I'm done playing nice. Where is Max?
What? Oh!
Tell me.
What? Oh! I can't. Oh! Let me finish. Ow! Help me! Ow!
Don't look at him.
Ow!
Look at me. Nobody can help you. Where is Max?
Okay. He's in the sewers. He got taken, please. Have mercy. Adorable puffy dog.